learners, welcome to the video. Good to see you again. Have you ever observed the soil of your garden? What components is it made up of? It helps you to understand the concept in a better way. Let us recall our previous video. In that video, we have discussed the importance of soil in our lives, how we are dependent on soil for agriculture and plantation purposes. The quality of soil varies on the basis of added constituents. Soil is composed of distinct layers. Here we will discuss different layers of soil and their formation. Soil is a mixture of broken rocks, minerals, living organisms and decaying organic matter called humus. To check the different constituents, let's perform an activity. Take a transparent bottle and fill half of it with soil and half of it with water. Then shake the bottle vigorously so that the soil gets mixed with water. Now, let it stand for some time. You can see the heavy or gravel part of sand is settled at the bottom of the bottle. Above this, you can observe the sand particles and clay. On the top of clay, there's water containing light humus content. Now, move on to the layering of soil. But what constructs the layers of soil? Well, it is formed by the process of weathering. Weathering is the process of breakdown of rocks by the action of wind, water and climate. River water carried away these weathered rocks and deposited them in the ground area. That is why the nature of the soil depends on the type of rocks from which it is formed. Look at the vertical section of soil. The vertical section through different layers of soil is known as the soil profile. We name these layers as horizons. Have you ever seen an underground construction site or digging for a well? On those sites, you can see the vertical view of soil layers. Because we generally see the topmost layer of the soil. This layer is dark in color due to the humus and minerals. We name this layer as a horizon. We have named the layers of soil in alphabetical order. This horizon is home to many living organisms such as worms, rodents, moles and beetles. These organisms are responsible for the death and decay of the remains of plants and animals. The layer below it has less humus and more mineral content. This layer is known as the middle layer or B horizon. This horizon is generally hard and compact. The third layer is C horizon. This layer is made up of small lump of rocks. Here comes the bottom layer. This layer is bedrock. It is the hardest layer and difficult to dig. Weathering of rocks first formed the bedrock layer, then the constitutive layer formed above it. Can you guess how much time it takes to form an inch of topsoil? Well, it takes around 500 years to form just an inch of soil. Isn't it amazing? The layering of soil is a very slow process. It takes years to make a difference. So learners, now we have very good information on the formation of different layers of soil. In our upcoming video, we will explore different types of soil, what constituents make them different and how are they named differentially. So, stay healthy and stay connected. See you next time.